Bring your palms to heart center. We'll do 3 rounds of Om. Breathe in. So, we all recited Om, and already you are doing competition. Who is going to sing longer? Who is going to be more loud? So, we need to understand what is Om, because nowadays Om is all over the marketplace. You can buy it, t-shirt, chain, dollar, everything. But what it really means? Why we need to recite it? We need to understand. In the Vedic tradition, this sound was not being heard from the outside. It is the discovery of a person when he traveled inside, he heard the sound Om. It is the sound of silence. It is the sound of the cosmos itself. This sound has no meaning, but the sound is very significant, because articulating this sound, you harmonize yourself. You harmonize yourself with the cosmos. You will come in contact with silence. So that is why this word is also called as the Pranava, the source. This is the sound that we can listen in the space. It has 3 syllables in it: A, U, M. Together it becomes Om. Whenever you recite the A, which comes from the navel, it doesn't that you have a navel voice cord in your navel. When you recite the A, the vibration can be felt in your navel area, in your Navi chakra, we call it in the Sanskrit. When you recite the O, it is from the chest and the guttural area. And when you recite the last syllable, M, it is of the head region. When you recite the Omkara, the whole body resonates. You can feel that vibration within yourself. Suddenly, the mind relaxes, because Once the body is felt completely, you create silence within yourself. And there is not only these 3 syllables. Between the Om, there is space. And again, this is very important. To understand and appreciate silence is very important. We've been talking all our life and we don't know any one single word what it means. Now it's a time to know what silence is. I've been engaged in understanding the words. Now let me enjoy the silence as I enjoy the words. So Om is simply that sound which harmonizes you, which unites you. The very experience of yoga begins with articulating Om, that it balances your body and your mind. The peace can be felt. The silence can be felt. The more you go deeper into the syllable Om, you will turn into the state of meditation. The mind stops, it suspends. So, when you are reciting the Om, the space between the Om should be also given the equal importance. It is not that the longer you sing, the more it is going to affect you. It is the proportion, we call it as the gati. There is a duration to sing it. A, U, Ma and the space is given equal intervals. Once that is being sung in a proper way, then you will know why you need to articulate it. Or else it becomes simply the imitation.